This container water garden provides a relaxing, elegant focal point in any indoor or outdoor setting, including patios, bedrooms, offices, gardens, and more. The AquaGarden Mini Pond Kit features an elegant, round patio pond with an attractive rippled texture and a calming waterfall which is illuminated by an LED light as it cascades down into the patio bowl. Each kit includes a special substrate to filter the water and grow optional plants, as well as 2 styles of decorative gravel to provide the AquaGarden with a sleek, natural look. Setting up your AquaGarden kit is easy. Simply place the AquaGarden in your ideal location, add the planting substrate and decorative gravel, fill with water, and enjoy. We recommend giving your AquaGarden a style of your own with endless design options, including adding plants to create your very own one-of-a-kind aquatic paradise. The integrated plant and waterfall filter provides an ideal location for a variety of plants while acting as a filter to keep the water clean and clear. The lower pond area holds approximately 7 gallons of water and is a great place for floating plants, a small water lily, or even a few small fish to create a recirculating aquaponics system.